compact environment and their quick reflexes make them formidable, yet unpredictable, predators. Their vibrant colors, red, blue, yellow, and orange, serve as a powerful warning to any potential predators that this small creature harbors a potent weapon, batrachotoxin. This toxin, one of the most powerful found in nature, can paralyze the nervous system of its prey and can even be lethal. Even smaller than the poison dart frogs are the insects and microorganisms that tirelessly work beneath the soft soil of the Amazon rainforest.